Hello everyone, my name is Faruq Abbas, and today I want to give you one tip that you should take into consideration when you are acquiring a property from a couple or a property that is jointly owned by a husband and a wife. And what's this tip? Most times whenever you are doing a transaction and you want to acquire a property from a couple, what you usually find is that one of the parties usually spearheads the sale. So when you're having meetings, it's either you're meeting with the wife alone or you're meeting with the husband alone. But it's usually rare meeting with both husband and wife. So when it's time to make payment, the rule is that once the property is jointly owned, when you want to pay the purchase price, it should be paid into the account of the owners. So if the property is owned by Mr. and Mrs. Faruq, then the proceeds should be paid into an account bearing the name of Mr. and Mrs. Faruq. But if the property belongs to Mr. and Mrs. Faruq, and Faruq says you should pay the money directly into his account, you shouldn't go ahead. If you want to go ahead, what you should request is, let us get Mrs. Faruq's consent in writing, notarized, authorizing the purchaser to make the payment into Mr. Faruq's account. Because if you make the payment into Mr. Faruq's account, and you are not sure that Mrs. Faruq is aware of the transaction, she can challenge this transaction and it can be nullified because the other party's consent must be sought before such a property can be sold. So it's really very straightforward. When you are acquiring a property that's jointly owned, whether by husband and wife, two brothers, or partners, ensure that the proceeds goes into the account of the owner property. Or if you're going to make it into one person's account, ensure you have a documented consent from the other party. I hope you find this tip very useful. Thank you very much.